All right, people, we're in New Haven today working on this new garage behind me. R21 on the ceilings, R15 on the walls. Just batting today. It's got a zip wall, you can see there, over there on the top here. It's got a zip wall on the outside sheathing. So pop quiz for the batting inside. Are we doing faced or unfaced? Does it need a vapor barrier or not? And the answer is unfaced. Why? Because the zip wall is a vapor barrier. It's a continuous vapor and air barrier. And so if we did faced batting, what you'd get is a little moisture sandwich. Any vapor that does creep in could get stuck, sandwiched between the two vapor barriers. No way out, no escape. And then it could cause all sorts of rot, mold, you know, the whole shebang along the studs. So we're going unfaced today, and I'll show you inside. All right, here she is in all her glory. Head to toe, fiberglass, unfaced. Sheetrock coming in tomorrow.